47 says solve in real numbers the equation x square minus 2 root 2x into x square minus 2 is equal to 2021. So how do we solve this? Solution. If we multiply the two values, that is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2 root 2 x cube minus 2x square plus 4 root 2x is equal to 2021, and if I add 4, so this will become 2 root 2 x cube minus 2x square plus 4 root 2x plus 4 is equal to 2025, which is also equal to 45 ka square. Now this is x ka square and this will be 2 ka square. Again here there is 2x square, so this will be root 2x ka whole square. Now there is a negative sign here in x cube, so x square has been multiplied with root 2x, or we can say, yeah, it has been multiplied with root 2x, so then the value has become 2ab, that is a chi square, b chi square, c chi square, 2ab. Now 2ab is of negative sign, so there will be a negative sign in this one, and here again there is a positive sign, so this is multiplied with again a negative sign of this value, then the value of 4 root 2 becomes positive. So x square minus root 2x minus 2 ka whole square is equal to 45 ka square. Now if I take the value square root of its side, so this will be x square minus root 2x minus 2 is equal to either minus 45 or x square minus root 2x minus 2 is equal to either plus 45. So there are two values that satisfy the equation x square minus root 2x plus 43 is equal to 0, x square minus root 2x minus 47 is equal to 0. Now for this value b square minus 4ac, this will be delta is less than 0 and hence no real values, no real solution. And for this x will be equal to minus b, that is root 2 plus minus b chi square, that is 2 and plus 47 into 4, that is 7 4 28 188 190, so 188 divided by 2a, so the value is 1 by 2 root of 2 plus minus root under 190, and that's the solution for real numbers. Thank you.